Hello viewers, many people are actually disappointed with the sale they are getting on flipkart.com and amazon.in. Many people actually were eager to buy iPad 11th generation 128GB Wi-Fi variant, but currently the price of this iPad is very high. It is selling at a price point of 32,000 rupees after discount, but the actual pricing should be 28 to 29,000 rupees maximum. So I think you should wait till Republic Day sale that will occur in the month of January 2026. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, in that case the best price for this tablet is 33,000 rupees maximum, and you will get best discounts from amazon.in when the sale will start. But currently the price of this tablet also is on the higher side. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE and S9 FE Plus. I think in 2026 you should rather go for Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE series. The reason behind this is that S10 FE series come with Samsung AI, and you know that in future AI will play a vital role in case of tablets. If you want to know the best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, in that case the best price is 29,000 rupees maximum, and if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, in that case the best price would be 42,000 rupees. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Oneplus Pad Go 2, in that case I think the price is little bit on the higher side, as this is a newly launched tablet. The price is good enough. But if you want to get discount on this tablet, you have to wait for few months. The best price for this tablet is around 20,000 rupees. I think currently it is selling around 22,000 rupees. So wait for few days to get discounts on this tablet. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. If you are planning to buy A11 Plus, in that case the best price would be around 20,000 rupees or 21,000 rupees maximum. So if you get this pricing, you can definitely buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. Many people are curious to buy Motorola Pad 60 Pro. The best price is 21,000 rupees. Next, if you are planning to buy iPad Air M3, in that case you should definitely wait for few days to buy this iPad at around 43,000 rupees, and you will get discounts on this iPad on amazon.in. If you are planning to buy a new tablet, in that case Realme Pad 3 is launching. On paper this tablet is looking very promising. This tablet will feature massive 12,000 mAh battery with 6.6mm ultra slim profile and Dimensity 7300 processor, and it will have pen support. Also you will get 2.8K high resolution display. Also the price will be very high. So these are the best prices of some of the tablets or iPads. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions in your mind, ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.